now rocking with Rips Whips. Uh-oh. Big box. Yeah. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Just got the exhaust did. Mean. Tell me it don't sound mean. Sound like a little monster now. So today, I think I'm gonna get out, go wash the whip, do some good things like that, you know what I'm saying? Shine my baby up cause she's kinda dirty, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, and just kinda just fool around and just get acquainted with it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Only. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better run the school. Only. Whoa, now turn up on these haters, that's what we is here for. Stay down with your situation till you come up. And when you get a chance, you better. Man, got that clean, you heard me? Yeah. Well, I'm finna head to the house and hit it with the rag. Every time I love it. Every time. Yeah. Finna head to the house and hit it with the rag one time. Wipe it down real good. It needed to be clean. Clean its inside. It ain't really that dirty in here though. No. Yeah. PSA. I need y'all to do all that YouTube stuff. You know what to do.